What's up? Big Herc 916 getting down with Muscle Up. You're tuned into my car channel where I talk about nothing but cars. And today I'm at a new car show that's in Chandler. And it's been going on, I guess, for a while, but I've never been here. So I'm gonna take a stroll through here, let you guys check out some of this Arizona car scene. Leave a comment, share the channel, hit that subscribe button, and let's take a stroll. It looks like it's still kind of early. I think this car show starts at 8 o'clock and it's 8:05. So we'll see how packed it gets here. It's kind of a eclectic mix of cars. You got a 240 right here, which is you know, a Japanese classic. And we got interesting European car. What is that? I can't know if that's a Renault pulling up. That's cool. Is it a Renault or it's a Lancia? That's a cool Lancia. Haven't seen one of these at a car show before. This reminds me of the classic rally cars. Something different. Never seen one of these at a car show before. You guys know what that is. Old school Porsche. I want to say, was it like a 60s? Is it a 912? Yep, 912. Probably a 68. Clean too. Classic lines, man. Put Porsche on the map. Got a BMW 3.0. These are definitely on the collector list. Beautiful car. Looks like it's got a nice restoration on it too. You don't see a lot of these. I like when they kind of retro them out a little bit.
I've had 4 cars since I've known him in a year and a half.
Oh yeah, nicely done. Got a few Ferraris out here.
Of course. Wow, good job.
Lamborghinis, Porsches. This one's got a different wheel setup on it. What is this, GTS? Carrera GTS. Check out these wheels. Let me know what you guys think about these wheels. And check a look at this, I think it's a Studebaker. And now it's got an interesting shape. It's almost like a boat. And the hull of a ship, if you look at it, it almost looks like it could be driven frontwards or backwards. Interesting, huh? Let's take a look at the inside. All modern technology. Boss Mustang. Nice. Sounded good too. It's a clean RX-7. One of my favorite JDM cars. Got a nice yellow, clean yellow canary paint on it with a pearl. Beautiful car. Give you guys a full 360 perspective. Nice. Got a lot of carbon fiber inside too. It's clean, man. He's got it hooked up. All the gauges. Like a lot of aftermarket work's been done to the car. Oh yeah, this thing's about the business. Clean. GT40. You guys know what this is about. This is another one of my favorite cars. And you can't go wrong in the black. Supercharger, Ford, man, come on. All day long right here. Shelby GT 350 convertible. It looks pretty original. This is a beautiful car. You don't see a whole lot of these, not in convertibles. Let's take a closer look. It looks like it has, yeah, 1969, one of 194 built. A very rare car, you guys. And looks pretty original. When something's this original, you don't really want to do too much to restore it. You want to kind of keep it original because it's worth so much money. Got the center exhaust exit. It's a badass for 69.
You know, but it's like, I'm not gonna.
Rocher sub chassis on this. This is beautiful. And then the interior, I mean, was this, like, how many times have you redid the interior in this?
It's the only time it's had an interior in it. All those years.
Oh, wow.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a finished interior.
Wow.
I had some bucket. I had a split bench seat in it. You know.
Oh, man. Look at that engine bay.
I gotta clean it up.
Man, that thing is beautiful. It's amazing to have a car that long without, you know what I mean? Because most people, they can't handle it. You know, you want to sell it, somebody offers you something, and then...
Yeah, no, you know,
man, it's beautiful.
My brother actually bought the truck, and then I kind of...
Man, that's clean.
Took it from him. Because I needed something to drive it.
Roadster shop chassis. This guy's had this car since 74. Actually, sorry, truck. And cool guy. And he drives it. So that says a lot. LS3. Very nice build. So this is Cars and Coffee at we've got Coffin and Trout Fine Jewelers out here in Chandler. Had a nice little turnout. Met some cool people, some cool cars. Look forward to bringing my car out here when I get it out the shop. But make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. Go to BigHerc916.com if you want to pick up some merch and represent.
Are you tired of smelling funky? Have you lost your ass? Go to BigHerc916.com and get to Nutsack Run.
Officially, I only got one real spanking my entire life. My mom did the best a 14-year-old could do, raising me with love and instilling values that will last a lifetime. I was a straight-A student and lived to make her happy. So how did I go astray? A horrible stepdad that stole my self-worth and invoked fear turned me into a person that I struggled to overcome. From skateboarding to selling drugs, gangbanging in juvenile hall, I got caught the same way many young promising men get caught up. I struggled to find my identity, getting mixed up in shootouts, crime, and the adult entertainment industry. This roller coaster continued as I juggled college, hustling, and Hollywood, eventually catching a federal bank robbery case. I found redemption in prison while serving a 120-month federal sentence and came out a man on a mission. I became a social media influencer with over 500 million views on YouTube and a life coach mentoring people all over the world. This is my journey against all odds.